Hey everyone, so as you know, hand sanitizer is a miss. We can't find it anywhere. But if you can get your hands on aloe vera and rubbing alcohol, you can make your own hand sanitizer, right? So the easiest recipe to remember, all you need is 3 to 1. So we are going with 3 aloe vera, right? So that's about you right there.
You mean 3 cups?
3 to 1.
Okay.
Right? So it's, if you're gonna do 3 cups, then it's 3 cups and then 1 cup.
I got it.
Right? So the ratio is the only thing that we're concerned about.
Gotcha.
Right? Because
If
it
you
doesn't
wanna
matter
make a
the
bigger
amount.
batch, it could be 3 bowls.
It can be 3 gallons to 1 gallon.
Gotcha.
Right? So we have our aloe vera, 3 of those, and then we have 1 alcohol. Now, all we have to do with this is mix it up. And I wish you could smell it because it smells like hand sanitizer. Now, if you wanted to get fancy, you can drop about 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil in here, and it will help with the smell, give you an awesome, just aroma, and that's it. Very simple.
Are you kidding me? So we have hand sanitizer right now.
Yes.
Oh my God! Thank you, chef.
You're so welcome.
Oh, so we just need aloe vera.
And rubbing alcohol.
And you said the higher the percentage.
Yep, you
the
can
better.
get 90% or more. So it just depends on who is providing the alcohol.
But if you have 70%, that's good too.
It's totally fine too.
Oh my gosh! Thank you, chef.
You got it.